Today I'll be making for you guys some vegan no-bake granola bars. Now in my granola bars I will be using some old-fashioned oats, guys. Quick oats is not recommended for this recipe, okay? Some black sesame seed, white sesame seed, cranberries, almond, coconut, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, vanilla, agave, and some day. Now stay tuned, let me show you how it's done. I'm adding 2.5 cups of oats to just toast them for a little bit. Just toasting these for a little, not for too long. Okay, so I'm gonna add the 10 pitted grapes to just puree them for a little while. These bars are nice to, you know, have as breakfast or as a snack. They're pretty much healthy. Adding the toasted nuts. This is how the granola look when I finish mixing it. You can see everything just look very nice and combined. Your baking pan with a baking sheet and pour the granola bars on it. So I'm going to use one of my cup and just, you know, just spread it out on the sheet. Even though it's a no-bake procedure, you'll see why I use the baking sheet, okay? And your dates and the peanut butter kind of act as a binder for this granola bar. Just showing you guys how it looks. As you see, I pressed it out really nice in the baking pan. So at this point, I'm going to put it in the freezer for like an hour. Now you guys can see that it is well set. Now you can see the reason why I put it in the paper, just to get the slice. When you're slicing it, it come out way easier and, you know, less crumbly and stuff. So I'm gonna cut it in slice. You can see how crunchy and firm they are looking. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share this video, subscribe to this channel for more amazing plant-based dishes. Until next time, bye.